boy, Mr. Frost 181. Today, man, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna start, man, somewhat of a little cooking show. Nothing too, dramatic. But yeah, gang, we'll just dive right onto it. So we got here, I done grease up my pot and everything. We got cooking right here. We got some, a little bit of pork chops with some seasoned blend, stuff like that. What we're gonna cook next is let me see. Let's see, gang. Let's see. What can we cook? What can we put on the side of that bad boy? Yeah, you know what? We're gonna hit with this. Something quick, you feel me? There was some pork and beans, you feel me? A little something on the side. Some rice, you feel me? And yeah, again. So when I get everything all situated, I'm gonna hit y'all back up. Alright, hang tight. Alright, gang. As y'all can see, the meat is coming out nice, smelling good, looking good. Got my seasoned blend inside there. I'm just letting it cook down before I flip the meat over. And that should be in the green. Finna wash my rice and everything so I can cook that. And my pork and beans, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and cook that also. Alright, y'all. As soon as I get my rice washed up and everything and stuff, hit y'all back when I get that done. Alright, gang, I'm back. As you can see, I got my rice cooking. Also got my beans cooking. Feel me? Then got my meat cooking as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook down. You know what I'm saying? Let it do its thing. Just thought I'd give y'all a little video, man, on a little cooking video. I know I hadn't been doing much videos lately, but just thought, man, I just want to put a little something out there. Got kind of bored, so this meat cooking. Bet y'all didn't know. Your boy Mr. Frost, man, 181 didn't know how to cook, huh? Tell you right now, it's smelling good in the neighborhood. Alright, gang. I'll hit y'all back when the food is done, so y'all can get a good look at how my food will be looking and stuff. Alright. Lord. Alright, gang. Food is ready. Rice is cooked. Beans is cooked. Feel me? The meat is almost cooked, man. It's cooking. I just gotta add a little more water and throw some gravy inside it, and I'll be good to go. Alright, gang. This your boy Mr. Frost 181. Thank y'all for participating and watching my videos and everything. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, appreciate y'all, man. Alright, peace.